Hello audience, this is Ethiopia Computing. I am Zgano Agwata. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Pycharm and how you can start with Pycharm. So you can get also from the Telegram group Ethiopia Computing the link of the website address. Here you can get the Pycharm setup or the Pycharm software. You can go to the link. You can click the link from the Telegram group and go to the website of Pycharm and download and install in your computer and follow me this video. Follow me in this video. Okay, let me create new project. New project. New project. The name of the project is here it is. Python. Python code. Can say Python code create. New window. And delete this. When we open your Pycharm software, you can get this interface. You can get this interface. So my Python code is my project. By default, it has main.py, main.py file. And if you want to create another Python file, right click on your project, new, then Python file, then write your Python file. For example, first p dot py. Don't forget putting py extension here. You can enter. Press enter from the keyboard. Then the Python project is created, or the Python file is created like this. Now let me start by adding two numbers. X is equals to 4, 5. Y is equals to 7. Z is equals to X plus Y. Print, you can say this like this. Print the sum of number is the sum of two numbers is Z. Can say like this. Then here it is run. Here is the main function. If you click here and run, the software executes the main, this code, the Python file of main, the Python file main, not first p.py. So you have to change current file. While you set this current file, then it can detect what we request from the software, and it can detect we order to run or execute this current Python file. So run. The sum of the two number is this. Okay. We can also write like this. Print and f the sum of the two number is the sum of the two number is what does that mean? Let me Z. Run. sorry, z. You can do like this. Here it is. And what about if we want to get the value of these two variables from the keyboard? You can say that x equals to input, x equals to input enter the first value. Enter the first value. Y is equals to input enter second value. Enter. Then z is equals to x plus y. Print z. What will be the result? Nothing. Sorry. The result will be, let me enter 5, enter, and 6, enter. 56. But the pattern takes this 56 or 5 and 6 as a string by default if we write the code like this. So what we have to do to change this to integer type is we have to change y and x into integer. Int x, int y. X is equals to into x is equals to into y. Sorry, y is equals to into y. Then run 5 enter 6. You see, the sum is 11. But before we have got 56. 556. It takes as it is the input 5 and 6. Because when only we use this command, the pattern default takes as a string. But if we use this casting system, the pattern takes the value of x and y as integer type. Or we can also write like this: input int, and this also int. So we have finished in one line. This is also the same. We enter the value from the keyboard and that value changes to integer like this. Run. Enter, for example, 8 and 9, 17. You can accept the data from the keyboard like this. The other one, you can also enter the character. For example, let me create another file. Ch is equals to input enter string, enter the string. Then, for example, if you make this print ch, then run the string. So Python, but the program already displays p. Why? We limit the length of the string by putting index 0 here. This means display display the only the first index. So we have to remove this. We have to remove this. Now let's say try Python. You see, you can get all characters in the string. All characters in the string. This is all about today's lesson. Until we meet by the next video. Have a nice time.